Hello! Hello everyone! Naku guys, naku, grabe yung hearing na to, no? Grabe, may makukulong yata. Naku, makukulong kaya to si General Torre? Naku, excited tayo dyan. Grabe na talaga yung mga pulis ngayon, no? Wala nang respeto. Alam mo talagang huling-huli na pero di kulong. Grabe. Guys, panoorin nyo to. Buti na lang talaga at hindi tulad sa, alam mo yun, sa Tricom or Quadcom na talaga namang nakikita talaga nating ina-abuse nila yung power nila, yung authority nila. Samantalang dito sa Senate, wow, saludo talaga ako sa kanila. Hindi nila ina-abuse yung power nila na pwede lang i-contempt, no? Pero hindi nila ginagawa. Grabe. Kahit straight in the eyes or kahit na alam mo yung nagsisinungaling na talaga harap-harap ng mga tao, ng mga media, ng mga senador, hindi pa rin. Nako, ito, panoorin natin si General Torre.
Okay. How about you, General Torre? May violation ho ba sa arrest or detention ni former President Duterte?
No, sir.
No, wala. Categorical, wala tayong violate na law.
No, sir.
Okay.
Wala daw.
Can I read to you Republic Act 7438, an act defining certain rights of person arrested and detained under custodial investigation, as well as the duties of the arresting, detaining, and investigating officer and providing penalties for violation thereof. Section F, any person arrested or detained, arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation shall be allowed visits by or conference with any member of his immediate family or any medical doctor or priest, minister chosen by him or by any member of his immediate family or by his counsel. I saw the video, sir. President Duterte was asking for his own doctors. Ang sabi nyo, hindi, may dala kayong doctor na colonel. Tama po ba?
That's one part, sir.
Nice.
Yes, so you did not allow him to bring in his own doctor.
There's another video that will show that he has his doctors from the Cardinal Santos.
Yes, and he was saying kulang yon kasi ano pa sila, di ba? Yung iba pang doctors, pero hindi na pinayagan. There's videos from outside, yung ibang gamit, etc. Correct, sir? So, you can answer, hindi to yes or no. So, to your point, did you allow all of his doctors in or no?
Sir, we have substantial doctor. I think we have complied with 7438, sir.
Okay, it doesn't say here substantial.
We
It
have
says
complied with
here,
7438, sir.
no sir, ang sabi kasi dito, his choice, hindi nyo choice. Hindi nyo choice
Correct.
i-limit yung doctors niya. Ang sabi nyo substantial. So, I will clarify. Were there doctors that he requested you did not allow in? Yes
I was
or
not
no?
aware of that, sir.
Okay, you're not aware kung meron pinapasok o wala.
Kung meron siyang ibang
Okay.
additional doctor,
But
sir.
I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hindi ba siya anak?
Nako, patay ka dito, Torre.
Kalagay dito, the person's immediate family shall include his or her spouse, fiancé, parent or child, brother, sister, grandparent, grandchild, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, etc. Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon ata na kulong.
Nako, 4 na taon na pagkakakulong, guys. Alam mo yon sa mga pulis na or kung sino mang gagawa no ng pagdakip or pagdetain na kung sino-sino, hindi pwede na hindi nila sundin yung batas na yan, Republic Act 7438. Oo. Nako, hindi yun finalo ni General Torre. Pagdating sa doktor, oo nga, pinapasok nila pero after 3 hours pa. Tapos hindi naman din gawa ng maayos ng doktor nila kasi hindi pinapasok yung ECG, hindi pinadala talaga no sa ospital, kundi mga doktor lang, wala kang paraphernalia nga dala, no, walang ma-equipment na dala yung mga doktor. Paano nila talagang ma-assess yung health ni PRRD? Tapos si VP Sara talaga hindi pa pinapasok, nasa law talaga siya, guys. Nako. Makukulong kaya to si General Torre? Naabangan talaga natin to, guys.
Penalty clause. Any arresting public officer, employee, or any investigator who fails to inform any person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation of his right to remain silent and to have competent penalty of not less than 8 years. Ito, sa letter B, any person who obstructs or prevents any of his lawyers, any member of his family, or person arrested, detained, ayan, medical doctor or priest of his choice, 4 years. So, sir, you prevented VP Sara from entering.
4 years!
So, sir, maraming salamat sa pagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon na ito.
Nakatawa pa talaga, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Naku, 4 years, guys. 4 years.
Para maklarify yan, sir, dahil nung first hearing natin, sir, ay palagay ko na explain na lahat yan, sir, at nagkaroon ng napakaraming mga...
Nung first hearing, sir, ang pinag-usapan kasi doon na lawyer. Ako, upon looking at the Constitution, kaming mga senador, we cannot appear before the court, but we can practice. Pero ang presidente, vice president cannot practice. So kasama na ako doon at yung ibang nagsabing abogada. Pero nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them from visiting.
Naku!
And nakita ko yung video, but
Naku ka, General Torre.
sabi nyo nga, may kompleto kayong video, that's why I'm asking you, baka naman pinapasok nyo nang hindi ko alam. Sabi mo, 2 stars, sir, ako na. Ako nagdesisyon nito, sir. I don't know if you use the word, ako mananagot. So, simple lang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father? Yes or no?
Can I expound on this, sir, before I answer the
Yes,
or
go
no,
ahead.
sir? Thank you, sir. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat, sir, na ma-expound dyan, sir, dahil after the first hearing, medyo marami-rami ang lumabas, sir, na mga misinformation regarding that matter, sir. Yes, sir, I did I did deny the request of President Duterte for him to allow VP Sara to enter, sir. Kasi nga naman, sir, mag-aalas 10 na yun, sir. And that is already around 12 hours after we first got him into custody. The VP has all the chances to be with the President earlier that day. We are expecting her. Actually, sir, mga alas 3 pa lang, may information na darating siya. And
Naku, mag-isip ka ng maayos. Yung pagsisinungaling yung asipon mong maayos. Naku, under oath ka ba naman?
lang pumasok, sir, pwede naman, sir, eh. Kasi,
Hinadlangan mo nga eh, di
ma'am,
ba?
sinundo, ma'am, sa loob ng
Sinabi
Villamor.
nga ninyo na hinarang, di ba?
Correct.
Yes,
Sabi niyo,
ma'am. Ito,
Kasi
ma'am, ah.
gabi na,
I
matagal
did.
na.
I did, ma'am. I did really prevent that from the VP. I told the president that she can visit her on the detention cell in Hague. Sabi ko kung gusto niya talaga. Pero
Sabi
kasi
mo
nga naman,
makapasok, pero
ma'am,
sa kabilang
Ang kupal-kupal, no? Sa dahig pa talaga pabibisitahin. Grabe. Sobra talaga. Naku.
ma'am,
ako sinabi mo, you prevented
let
her.
me-
Alin ba talaga?
let me clarify, ma'am. Hindi pa ako tapos, ma'am, eh. May
Hindi.
gusto-
Grabe. Sobrang walang respeto, no? Walang respeto. Grabe. Yan yung mga pulis natin ngayon. Yan yung susundin ng mga pulis. Kasi general nila yan eh, oh, 'di ba? Walang respeto sa mga senador.
Iba-iba
Okay,
lang yung sinasabi mo eh.
Ma'am, patapusin niyo ako kung pwede.
Tingnan mo.
Kung pwede,
gaspang,
ma'am.
oh.
Okay lang.
Nako, kung sa congressman pa yan nangyari, kung dun pa yan sa Quadcom, wala na contempt na yan si Diyan pa lang, oh, magaspang pa kaysa sa mga chairperson eh.
Kasi
Madam
ma'am, meron
Chair,
tayong,
I think the resource person is,
if you will allow me.
ah,
Sir, if you will allow me. Sir,
yaw.
Okay, sir.
Kaya nga, but please.
eto,
please.
sir, ah.
Yaw!
After all was being said and done, yung sasakyan ni Hanilet, sir, and 5 other vehicles, nakapasok at sinundo sila, sir. Ang eroplano nasa bukas pang pintuan, sir. So, yan, sir, ang isang tumayong balahibo ko nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, naku, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na. Kasi sinusundo na, sir, si Hanilet at saka si Kitty, sir, ng kanilang mga sasakyan, together with the other entourage, Bakit hindi nila sumabay dun, sir, sa tarmac? Bukas pa naman, sir, ang pintuan.
Bakit di daw sumakay? Sabi nga ni Bongo, ano nga daw siya pinababa siya tapos sinirado la lahat ng gate. Naku talaga tong si, Torre.
Alam mo, Madam Chair,
Sir,
Nick,
Sir.
you,
That's a new
ibig mo
information,
sabihin
sir.
kung pwede pumasok yung si Ma'am Hanilit at saka si Kitty, gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the president, the former president.
Okay,
The reason for that,
You prevented VP Sara from entering.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because the reason for that is that 12 hours na ang nakalipas at tapos na ang lahat ng mga delaying tactics.
Nick,
I cannot allow that. Otherwise,
Nick,
magiging magulo pa ang situation,
Nag-expire
sir.
pala yung karapatan ng akusado.
may expiration date pala yung
Correct.
karapatan ng anak na bumisita sa kanyang tatay.
Yeah.
Sir, we do believe, ako sir, personally, that's my call at that time because I'm operating on the premise ng
So it's your
aking
call.
mission.
So it's your call to
Yes,
violate
sir.
the law.
Yes,
It's your call to violate the law. Dahil nakalagay sa batas, binasa ni Senator Alan Cayetano na bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Oo.
Anong konteksto?
Anong
Nasasabi
konteksto
mo
mo?
lang, talagang hinadlangan mo yung pagpasok eh.
Huli, pero di kulong.
Mr. President,
Grabe.
I won't belabor the point kasi sinagot nyo naman, sir, yung tanong ko. Kasi nga, going back to Ambassador Lacanau,
Grabe.
that's a violation of the law.
Relax lang
If you
talaga
look at
si
the law,
ano, no?
it says arrested,
Cayetano.
detained, and custodial investigation. Kung arrested lang to, baka may lusot, 12 hours, 6 hours, matagal na. Pero ang nakalagay sa law kasi, you cannot deny pag arrested, detained, and custodial investigation. No if, no buts tong batas na to because nga, in the past, lalo pagka, wala pa namang internet masyado nito 1992, no? Wala pa masyado yung mga, bago pa lang yung mga, cellphone na ba nito or ano? But ang point, sir, there's no exceptions here. So that's a matter of defense kay General Torre. But just to pursue this, yung doctors ho ba ni President Duterte certified him fit to travel?
Yan.
Diba sabi niyo, sir, eventually pinapasok niyo rin doktor niya. So nung
'Di ba? Remember, sobrang taas nga ng diabetes, yung sugar. Niya nung time na yun, 'di ba? Sobrang tinatamlay na siya at alam mo yun, tapos pinag-travel pa talaga nila. Walang certification or walang approval ng doctors nila, no? Pero pinag-travel nila, grabe.
una, sa video nakita ko, ay hindi pa kasi nyo nasasubmit yung buong video, kaya hindi pa namin nare-review, no? That's why I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. Kasi I'm not an eyewitness, I didn't see and even if I'm not an eyewitness, I didn't view the video, no? So dun sa nakita ko kasi, you were denying, the President was saying, you have to make sure I'm fit to travel, and then sabi niya, doktor ko, ang sabi niyo, may doktor na dito, it was a police or military colonel. So eventually you let in some of his doctors, correct, sir?
After 4
Did they
years.
certify that he was fit to travel?
I believe, sir, on that
No.
argument, we can
No,
already
it's not an argument. I was just
Sir,
asking,
okay, sir.
did
Sir-
they certify that he was fit to travel or hindi sila tinanong were they fit to travel?
It's not part of the procedure for his private doctors for that to do that, sir. It will be the government doctors who will be
No,
taking
that's not
that, sir.
true, sir. Ang nakalagay ho dito sa batas, it can be his doctors. Magiging inutil yung batas if you invite your doctors and then they cannot certify. So, ang mangyayari nun, if they certify hindi pwede, sinertify ng government doctor pwede, korte ang magsasabi at kakasuhan yung doktor na nagkakamali. Hindi mo pwede basta't i-replace ng government doctor yung, so like now, no? If anyone here biglang nag-faint at sinabing hindi na siya pwedeng mag-appear dito, we have a Senate doctor. But if it's the doctor of the witness who tells us, we cannot immediately judge on the two. Kasi even dito po sa surrender, may mga tanong about being fit to travel na ang nakalagay nga and even yung baka mapahamak yung kapitan. Kasi kung titignan niyo po yung yung
Ala, nako, yung
pinirmahan ng
kapitan.
kapitan,
Hindi,
Sa pinirmahan niya po, may
dumating
nakalagay
eh.
doon, ha? Saan yun?
Hindi dumating yung kapitan eh.
Senator Cayetano, kung pwede lang
Yeah,
i-clarify,
anyway,
ang nangyari, si Kitty, sinabi talaga na hindi pinapasok yung doktor. At sinabi ni Dr. Rosa Alensi na ang dating Pangulo, napakataas na ng kanyang diabetes, umabot ng 328, he needs to be admitted directly to a hospital. Nagkaroon ng diskusyon doon sa Villamor, pinatawag yata nung isang Colonel Dr. Donald Palma, cardiologist, na hindi siya nasa kalagayan na magbiyahe ng mahaba, pero pinirmahan ni Dr. Colonel Jonathan Rico, isa na namang Armed Forces Doctor, Commanding Officer ng Air Force, na pwede siyang bumiyahe. So, ibig sabihin, maliwanag na ang pumirma ng Certification of Fit to Travel ay hindi kanyang doktor na hindi pinapasok, kundi doktor ng AFP.
Correct ba ho ang pagkakwento ni Chairperson? No, Senator Go, just before, ito yung dahilan kung ba't ko tinatanong. Sabi nga ni SOJ, sub judice, meron na request, may petition for writ of habeas corpus. Ang aking concern ngayon, kasi ang bata, ang ginagaya, hindi yung salita natin yung gawa. And I think ganun din sa batang pulis, batang militar, batang tanod, batang NBI. They're watching now. So what if someone was arrested in Tawi-Tawi? Can he be visited by his family anytime? And can his doctor, they say, hindi mo pwede ilipad ng Manila yan? That's why I'm asking all of this, because according to Ambassador Marcos, Lacanilao, walang violation. Sabi niyo, walang violation. Pero apparent dito. No? So I just want to put that on record. Sana malinaw natin yan. Kasi may police, meron din po kayong, di ba, revised PNP operation procedure. Pati doon, pareho nung batas pero parang hindi nasunod. So I submit to you and to Senator Bongo. Thank you for waiting.
Thank you, Senator Cayetano. Ambassador Lacanlao, babalikan ko lang yung pinirmahan ninyo. Andito na sinabi ninyo, kahit
So, yun na nga guys, grabe. Ano kayang mangyayari dito, no? Makukulong kaya to si General Torre? Kasi sobrang dami niyang violate na mga batas. Alam mo yung Article 7438 na bawal pigilan na pumasok, no? Or bumisita. Kung sino man yung immediate family. Kahit hindi na lawyer, doon na lang sa immediate family. Dalawa talaga. Tapos pinirmahan pa yung fit to travel kahit kitang-kita naman talaga nila, no? Sobrang taas ng diabetes, kailangan na talagang i-admit, pero binyahe pa talaga nila. Grabe guys, sobra-sobra ng kawalang hiyaan. Yung mga panggobyerno natin, nako, ewan ko na lang talaga. Anong masasabi nyo? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!